hold on to that for me. Okay, I've got the camera, you've got the cassette. I'll close that back up again. So with us today we've got Trevor Bailey, who is the former chief engineer for XL426 down at Southend. He's actually in the simulator at the moment. We're at the taxiway for Southend and he's about to make the call because we're going flying, Trevor, yeah?
Certainly hope so.
Trevor, have you ever flown a Vulcan upside down over Everest before?
I haven't actually. This is a unique experience, and it's quite an amazing how. Look at that view. This is just amazing.